Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. 14 of Jamaica's under-17 footballers were denied travel to Guatemala today ahead of the CONCACAF Championship, which begins on Saturday. But as we'll hear in this report, the JFF says it is working to ensure the players can travel on Friday.
Jamaica's under-17 footballers are set to begin their quest to qualify for a third Youth World Cup on Sunday in Guatemala. But the acclimatization period for the majority of the squad has been cut short after issues with travel documentation prevented 14 players from traveling with the squad. Jamaica Football Federation JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung explained the reasons the players were unable to board the flight from Montego Bay on Thursday morning.
14 of them did not make the flight today because although they had received the exemption to travel, the exemption letter came in late, so they did not get to make it on the flight. However, just to assure everyone, we are working assiduously to ensure that this is resolved along with our travel consultant and also the airline. And we are expecting to get most, if not all, on a flight tomorrow to get to Guatemala, now that we have the exemption letter in hand.
It means that 10 members of the 24-member squad made the trip, but Chung has assured that the remainder of the players will join them by sometime on Friday.
We have worked through all the issues we have with the boys, the under-17, and they will all be on the flight at 3 o'clock tomorrow from Kingston. We've got them booked thanks to Copa Airlines. They've worked very well with us on this, so we're happy that the boys will be in Guatemala by about 11 o'clock tomorrow night.
Jamaica will kick off their participation on Sunday against Cuba with match time set for 5 p.m. The Jamaicans will then go up against Guadeloupe next Tuesday before closing out the group stages against Costa Rica next Thursday. The top two teams from each group will qualify for the round of 16, joining Bermuda, Puerto Rico, Nicaragua, and the Dominican Republic. The semi-finalists will qualify for the FIFA Under-17 World Cup that takes place in Peru from November 10 to December 2. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.
Thanks.